So friends, I heard you were interested how I made this spoon. Just to be clear, I will be making this spoon with rotary tools. So, if you would like to see me making spoon with hand tools, click on this video. But now, let's go and make this the mechanized way. Let's go, friends. So friends, to make a spoon, you will first need to find yourself a piece of wood. And now, using Eastern European precision, we will fix that wood inside the vise. And now, there's not a lot of science here. Simply, using Glazomera, we will make the bowl of the spoon. Oi, blin, I think we need some more power. Let me raise it. Okay, that's what I'm talking about. You just look at that, less than a minute and the bowl is almost ready. This is going really good, friends. Okay, now just a few finishing touches. And there we go. Okay, let's have a look what we have here. It looks nice, but to make a really usable spoon, you would need to thin the handle a bit. So, we could use an axe. Or the Angle Grinder 3000 Turbo. You just take a look, it rips right through that wood like a knife through hot butter. I wonder what would happen if you try to angle grind a piece of steak. Let me know in the comments if you would like to see that. Okay, it's starting to get a spoon shape. We will still need a little bit more fine sanding. Okay friends, so it is a spoon already, but a really rough one. So, we will take a knife and make some error correction. And I think I don't have to mention you that when making error correction, errors may be critical. So try to do it as best as you can. And when you're finished with your error corrections, it's time to do the sanding. I think this step is quite self-explanatory, so I'm not going to go into details here. But I will just say that this step is the most time consuming. But the results are well worth it. If you made your spoon from a wet piece of wood, the next step is drying. You could dry it along your cooker in this cardboard box, or you could dry it much faster using the gamer method, using your computer's cooling fan. So that's my way of justifying computer gaming. You know friends, when I started this channel, I told to myself, Mikhail, this will not be the gaming channel. But here we are. Anyway, this is an instruction how to dry your spoon quicker, so it's justifiable. Also, I really wanted to show off my flying ladder. You don't believe we could fly? Okay, let's go, I will show you. We just need to take a ride to the airport. Okay, we're here friends, you just take a look, the ladder is flying. However, it is still very unstable. Oi blin, I just crashed my ladder again. Anyway, 2 days have passed in real life, so the spoon should be dry already. And because it was made from less than a quarter of log, it's not split in any place. But friends, you guessed it right, we still need to oil it. This will make spoon more beautiful and last longer. And the procedure is as always, rub it in and wipe off any excess. And then put into bright, well ventilated place to dry off. And after a couple of days, you can already test it by making the fireplace coffee. So friends, making of a spoon took me 20 minutes. I know there are people on the internet that can make spoon in 20 minutes with only hand tools. Unfortunately, I am not one of them, so this is quite an achievement for me. So comment below what do you think about the spoon. And for now, good luck friends.